Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. As regards the other reference coming on the basis of the order passed by the trial court, it may be noted that though after hearing the parties, the trial court passed the order in the records of special case number 22/96, the petition filed on behalf of the prosecution was in respect of all the 52 cases stopped. Hence, I am satisfied that though the trial court recorded the reference order in special case number 22/96, it would relate to all the cases for the transfer of which the prayer was made in the petition filed by the prosecution stopped. I thus find no substance in this objection raised by Mr. Singh stopped. Mr. Singh then raised another objection stating that in the state of Jharkhand there was no court corresponding to the special court CBI AHD Patna and the cases therefore could not be transferred as provided under section 89(1) of the Act. Stop. Mr. Singh pointed out that in the letter of the DIG CBI dated 30/11/2000 addressed to the Registrar General of this court, it was stated that it seemed imperative to transfer the case records to the court of existing special judge CBI cases Ranchi as stop-gap arrangement till the creation of designated courts at Ranchi for the exclusive trial of the AHD cases stop. According to Mr. Singh, this amounted to an admission that at least for the present there was no court in Ranchi corresponding to the designated court at Patna and therefore, according to the submission, the provisions contained in section 89(1) of the Act were unworkable and unenforceable. Stop. I am satisfied that the objection raised by Mr. Singh does not constitute a ground to decline to answer the reference and to reject it on the threshold. Stop. It may, however, be stated here that the question regarding the appropriate court where these cases could be instituted and tried has been dealt with in greater detail in the latter part of this judgment. Stop. At this stage, it would be appropriate to refer to another controversy arising in course of hearing of the reference. Stop. That controversy arose due to certain development taking place before the monitoring bench. Stop. As noted above, the investigation of the cases arising from the animal husbandry scam was being conducted by the CBI under the overall control and supervision of a bench of this court. Stop. Consequent upon the division of the state and after the order dated 13/12/2000 passed by the Supreme Court referred to herein above, the monitoring bench considered the question as to which of the cases still under investigation it would continue to monitor. Stop. At that stage, the position was that out of the total cases registered, charge sheets were yet to be filed in 24 cases. Stop. In other words, in 24 out of the total number of cases, investigation remained inconclusive. Full stop. Over.